Oh, hi everyone. I'm the DVD collector here, and I'm going to be showing you all my random DVDs. And I don't care how many I'm scared of. The 2010 DVD of Go Diego Go, Lion Cub Rescue. Or should I say, Don't Go Diego, Don't Go, Lion Cub Stupid Rescue. We don't care if this has welcome home line cub. No. Here's just we don't care if it's foreign gray. No. And next up, this is Sonic the Hedgehog, or should I say Sonic the Crash Hog. Black. It has deleted scenes and blockers. Sonic's next adventure. Building Robotnik with Jim Carrey, and more. And Meow and Tails appears at the end of the movie, and the Paramount Pictures logo with rings. And so yeah, here's the DVD disc and Blu-ray disc. We don't care. And next up we got is the complete first season. The completed 12th season of SpongeBob SquarePants. And it has the Paramount DVD logo, so yeah. Anyways, here's disc 1, here's disc 1, disc 2, and disc 3. I don't know why they're born gray, but and next up, this is the Adventures of Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius Confusion Fusion, or should I say, the Misadventures of Jimmy Neutron Crash Genius. Back and has When Pants Attack double length episode. So yeah. Here's this. I don't care if the case is yellow. Next got is Paw Patrol Sports Day, or should I say Paw Patrol Sports Night. We don't care if this has the Nickelodeon logo. No. Here's this. I don't care what the born grade is. This is Blaze in the Monster Machines Fired Up, or should I say Blaze Not in the Monster Machines Fired Down. That's a new title for you. And it has the Nickelodeon logo, so yeah. Here's this. We don't care if it's born gray again. Guys, the Muppets Take Manhattan. Or should I say the Muppets don't care about Manhattan. And why the heck does it say Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment? Even though this has the Columbia TriStar DVD logo, but who cares? Anyways, here's this, and I know why that's CP20. When in the case white, but who cares? Now we got the Cat in Hat, or should I say, the Cat in Hat crashed back. And it has the Cupcake Nader scene, so yeah.
The disc is blue.
The disc is blue, and the case is white. The disc is blue, and the case white, but who cares? And next up we got is Bob the Builder and News to the Crew, or should I say Bob the Destroyer, New to the Future. It has a Scrambler scene, and Benny transition, and Pecker transition, and Sunzy transition, so yeah. In the case of yellow, so yeah. Here's this. We don't care. Next up we got is Trolls, or should I say Rolls. It has the 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment logo in the case white, same with the Cat Hat and the Muppets Take Manhattan, so yeah. Here's this, and I don't know why that's pink in the case white, but who cares? Or should I say Monsters Stink. None, it's stupid stuff. Whoa. Here's this. We don't care. That is Puss in Boots. Or should I say Puss Not in Boots. It has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo, so yeah. Here's the purple disc. And I don't know why the case is white, same with Rolls, the Cat in Hat, and the Muppets Take Manhattan. Rolled Trolls Crash, and the Muppets Take Manhattan. But who cares? And that's like that is VeggieTales 'Twas the Night Before Easter. Or should I say, Crashing Tales 'Twas the Night Before Easter. Right? And it was a big idea logo, so yeah. Here's the green disc. And I don't know why the case white, same with Trolls Crashed, the Cat in a Hat, the Muppets Take Manhattan, and Puss Not in Boots. But who cares? God is Penguins of Madagascar. Or should I say Penguins of Madagascar. And it has the 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment logo, same with Trolls. So yeah. Anyways, here's the blue disc in the white case. We don't care. And next here we got is How to Train Your Dragon. Or should I say, How to Not Train Your Dragon. That and how to animation SKG logo. Same with Puss in Boots. No. I mean, so yeah. Here's this. I don't know why that's blue, and the case is white. Same with Trolls, the Cat in Hat, Penguins of Madagascar, VeggieTales, Puss in Boots, and the Muppets Take Manhattan. But who cares? Kung Fu Panda, or should I say Sketch Fu Panda. And has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home logo. Same with How to Train Your Dragon and Puss in Boots. So yeah. Here's this, and I don't know why that's orange. And the case is white. Same with the other ones, but who cares? And next to this is Kung Fu Panda 2. Or should I say Kung Fu Panda Da! In the back. It has a DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo, same with How to Train Your Dragon, Kung Fu Panda, and Puss in Boots. So yeah. And here's this. And I don't know why that's orange. Same with Kung Fu Panda, and the case is white. Same with Kung Fu Panda, Puss in Boots, VeggieTales, the Muppets Take Manhattan, Trolls, Penguins of Madagascar, How to Train Your Dragon, and Penguins of Madagascar, and the Cat in a Hat. But who? Next thing we got is Shark Tale, or should I say Shark Crash. And has a DreamWorks Animation logo. Oh, so yeah. Here's the water blue disc. We don't care. And next to this is Monsters vs. Aliens. Or should I say Monsters vs. Aliens Crashed, because it's a ripoff. Because this is a ripoff to Monsters Inc. I don't care if this has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo. Same with How to Train Your Dragon and Puss in Boots and Kung Fu Panda and Kung Fu Panda 2. But who cares? And here's this. And I don't know why that's green. In the case of white, same with Trolls, Shark Tale, Kung Fu Panda 2, Kung Fu Panda, VeggieTales, 'Twas the Night Before Easter, Puss in Boots, The Muppets Take Manhattan, Trolls, How to Train Your Dragon, Penguins of Madagascar, and The Cat in Hat. But who cares? And next we got is The Prince of Egypt, or shall I say The Prince Not of Egypt. And it has the DreamWorks Home Entertainment logo, so yeah. Here's this. Don't know why that's red, and the case is white. Same with Monsters vs. Aliens, Shark Tale, Kung Fu Panda 2, and Kung Fu Panda, Puss in Boots, and The Muppets Take Manhattan, VeggieTales, 'Twas the Night Before Easter, and Trolls, The Cat in the Hat, Penguins of Madagascar, and How to Train Your Dragon. But who cares? And next we got How to Train Your Dragon, The Hidden World, or should I say How to Not Train Your Dragon, The Hidden World. It has a universal logo just like Madagascar, the Ultimate Collection, so yeah. Here's this, and I don't know why that's blue, but who cares? Same with the other ones, but who cares? And next we got Kung Fu Panda, or should I say Kung Fu Panda over 9000. Back. It has the 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment logo, same with Trolls and Penguins of Madagascar, so yeah. Here's this. I don't know why that's green and the case is white, same with Monsters vs. Aliens, Shark Tale, and Kung Fu Panda 2, and The Muppets Take Manhattan, and Puss in Boots, and Kung Fu Panda, and VeggieTales, 'Twas the Night Before Easter, Trolls, The Cat in Hat, Penguins of Madagascar, and How to Train Your Dragon, and The Prince of Egypt. But who cares? Get out. Get out of here. And next up we got is Shrek Blu-ray, 2018 Blu-ray and digital, or should I say shrunk. Top, bottom, back. And it has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo, so yeah. Get out of here, you stupid case. There you go. Here's the front, spine, back. Open this. And here's the green disc. And here's the green Blu-ray disc. We don't care. Get back in there, you stupid thing. And there you go. And next we got is Madagascar, or should I say Madagascar. It has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo, same with DreamWorks Animation logo, same with Shark Tale, so yeah. Here's this. I don't know why that's blue and the case is white, same with Monsters vs. Aliens and Shark Tale and Kung Fu Panda 2 and Kung Fu Panda and Kung Fu Panda 3 and The Muppets Take Manhattan, Puss in Boots, and The Muppets Take Manhattan, Puss in Boots, and VeggieTales, 'Twas the Night Before Easter, and Trolls, The Cat in the Hat, Penguins of Madagascar, and DreamWorks Dragon, and the Prince of Egypt, and the Prince of Egypt. But who cares? Get out. Next of it, this is Madagascar Escape to Africa. Or should I say Madagascar Escape to Africa? It has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo, so yeah. Here's this. We don't care if it's born late for the last time. And next we go is Go Diego Go, the Great Dinosaur Rescue. Or should I say, don't go Diego, don't go, the Stupid Dinosaur Rescue. And it has Diego saves the baby humpback whale and rescue of the red-eyed tree frogs. Let's click it. So yeah. Here's this. I don't know why that all shows Baby Jaguar and Diego the Animal Rescuer and Maya the Myosaur. But who cares? And this has no Paramount DVD logo even though it's on a spine. It's sad. And one more, we got Cars 3, the 2017 DVD. Or should I say Cars over 9,000. It has not its stupid stuff. Anyways, here's the Cars 3 DVD disc. We don't care about this for the last time. Okay, that's all my random DVDs, so